remember the very famous Phineas and Ferb episode where they talked about an aglet. Now, our bodies have similar structures. They look very similar and they are known as telomeres. Telomeres are basically protective caps at the end of our chromosomes, and we are born with 10,000 but we die with only 4,000. Now, interesting thing is that the rate at which they die decides the speed of aging in our bodies. And how it is done? It is done through a system called the epigenetic system. Epigenetic system is the system which decides that how and when the genes in your body go on or off. And it is directly linked to your environment, your surroundings, and your circumstances, including your relationships. This relation where your physical body is being affected by the surroundings and your outer world is called interpersonal biology. Now, interesting thing to note is that cancer patients have the highest activity of this telomerase activity. That means that the cells die at a rapid rate in cancer patients. Now, there was a study conducted between 300,000 people to study the effects of interpersonal biology. And here's what we know. 1. Lack of relationships and a strong support system in your life will have the same physical effects as someone having an anxiety or an alcohol problem. And surprisingly, it is more lethal than obesity and someone who is not exercising or there's a lack of exercise. Second thing that we know is happily married people are much more stable and better than single people. But single people are much more better and stable than unhappily married people. Third thing that we know is that kids with parents who have mental health issues are more likely to develop a case of asthma. And it is directly proportional. What does it mean? It means that the more unavailable the parent is the child is likely to develop an equally severe case of asthma or more worse. Fourth thing that we know is that racism, discrimination, and toxic workplaces will all have a similar impact on your body. So, in the end, everything around you and about you matters. So, take care of yourself. All of the information in this video was taken from the book The Myth of Normal by Gallo Mate. We will be discussing more of this book next week. If this brought you value and you found it interesting, hit follow and subscribe. See you next week.